likes to chill on my daughter quite a lot. She'd just come up onto the couch and wrestle on my daughter for most of it. Over the years, they've grown together. They're just very used to each other's company. When I've introduced Tony to Cher, he was about 2 years old, and Cher was quite a tiny snake. My daughter would just hold Cher in her hand at the time, but now Cher's so big she couldn't even lift her up. As a parent, I had to make sure that Cher was tame and sociable to be held. I spent every day, multiple times a day, with Cher, just getting her used to human interaction. On the other front, I needed to make sure my daughter genuinely knew how to be gentle. As soon as she understood what she needed to do, no grabbing, no poking, just being gentle and respectful, that's all I needed from her, was to behave how I behave. And she proved that to me.
Oh my God.
She's never left unsupervised with her. She's never allowed to feed her until she's a lot older.
When I'm 16.
When you're 16.
Or 16.
No one gets to see the good nature of these animals and what they're really like when they're not being stressed out. As soon as a large constrictor is shown with anything, it's always a bad, negative perception. The snakes haven't bitten us, the cats have bitten us and scratched us. Cher is probably the most gentle snake I've ever owned. My daughter is very lucky to be given this sort of experience under the circumstances. She gets to experience the true giants of the species, and she has a very rare and unique relationship with them.
I love Cher.
Si amas a los animales, suscríbete.